Hi everyone, a very good evening. I hope I'm all audible perfectly. Could you please acknowledge that if my voice is all audible? I am just hoping, yes, definitely my voice is audible to you guys. Right, I can see like, okay, many of you have joined it. Okay, perfect. I think that's the pretty good. Okay, good to see that. Good to see that. Okay. So now, today, what we have as an of the day three. Okay, a very good evening. What we exactly have today, okay, what we exactly is being starting for today is this, which is basically the day three, and day three is completely being occupied. A very good evening to all. Day three is completely being occupied with the business and the productivity automations, right? Where we wanted to just actually start with, and I hope like okay the day two is also being clear to you, right? Okay, the sessions, okay, the content we have, um we actually have started it with certain kind of um the variables onto the day two, okay, which was comprising of the automation of the content and the marketing task, okay, email ads and the social medias, right? So it's pretty clear, right? Okay, as in as in of this, the business and the productivity automation, which is being comprising it of the reports, research, and the documentations. Today, we will be exploring onto how AI can automate some of the most time-consuming business tasks, uh, report creations, research workflows, and the document generations. Right. The goal is to just save the hours of manual efforts and create the faster, more accurate outputs which is being required to process it. And as I've told you, like, okay, these are the things which is being very important on to if you wanted to really start with what is being into the sequence, as and I've told this thing, it is just kind of a workflow, right? If you miss the day one, day two has a connection with it. If you miss day two, again, like same, and the things are going to be like that. So the goal is just to save the hours of the manual efforts and create the faster and more accurate outputs. Why just to automate the task? Because of businesses spend up to 40 to 60% of their time onto the document heavy processes. There are like kind of a lot of reports, research summaries, proposals are being there, SOP, and all the repetitive but essential kind of tasks yet to do. The automations just perform. Why? Because of to reduce the human error, to increase the speed, keeping that well with what is being focused onto the higher value work, correct? A very good evening. But the point does not comes like, okay, ma'am, is it the only things we have to do it? No, it is not the only things you have to do it. The automating remotes work has to prepare the reports you're just going ahead, right? It has to make an efficiency about what you are being probably doing well, so right, okay, or what exactly the things you already have been processed with, and these things are being keeping the very high values about it, and automating reports are being the one of them that contains or that converts the raw data into the structured kind of reports, correct? Monthly performances, if you want to see the financial snapshots, project status, competitor analysis, and all of these things. Okay, you can simply just provide the input. You can simply just get on to like data tables, matrices, even on the rough bullets. Now let's say if you wanted to prepare, okay, or think about it, if you really wanted to prepare um, a good amount of reports, right? Okay, or you can say the reports which is being required for the later aspects. But this is, you are not going to do it, right? Some of the reverse protocols are being there, some of the labels are being there, okay, and some of them are instead going on to the team effective, right? Now, to eliminate this entire thing, I am not gonna just go with certainly repeating like, okay, these things and all, because it's an you can also read it, okay, to be honest, if I'll say, right? But the point is like, okay, what exactly we can do it as an of hands on is the must about it, okay, or what exactly the tools we use, okay, for the reports, or for this hands on, okay, does not matter for me. Actually, the things does not matter until unless it's not important, okay. And if it is being kind of an important way, okay, or if it is kind of like that important, then you can do ahead, okay, then you can definitely start the best outcome of it, okay. You can just mention it actually, like, okay, what you are being trying so far to write it, right? But for my point of view is like, okay, it will just resemble the best outcome, okay. It will just have the resemblance, it's just going to be having the resemblance of how do the operations are gonna work. Either it's an AI, okay, or as in like, okay, the human perfect management provisional way. Either it's just getting it repetitive with on road integrations, okay, and all. Now the point is not like that. The chat gpt, okay, you people have actually focused onto the chat gpt also, right? But you have probably saw the best about it, okay. Now if I'll just have a look on the chat gpt, okay, I wanted this chat gpt, the core tool of it, report creation, executing the summaries, okay, research compilations, sops, policies, proposals, okay, and all of these things, documentary writings and everything, formatting. But does not make sense, okay, we have an idea. Now let's say if I wanted, uh, okay, let's do one thing. What is air, okay, PDF I'm just going with. Let's say if I wanted to just download this PDF, right? This PDF I'm downloading it, right? Okay, I hope like it's all audible. Okay, so what is going to happen is, let's say this is the PDF, okay, we download it, right? Genuinely wanted to download it, okay. And let's say if I'll download this, a brief introduction to the AI, it got downloaded, right? Okay, let's say if I have converting the raw data into the monthly reports, let's just figure it out. I'll simply just download this, download, or let's say convert the raw data into a monthly reports, okay, or any of that, okay, you can say it, okay, monthly reports and all, okay. And also summarize it, a 10 or the number of pages into one page, okay, the business brief, okay, somewhat like that. So it will read it, okay. But one of the thing is Google Docs are also being there, right? Okay, there is the Google Docs where you wanted to just go with this way. If I'll open this Google Docs, see, nobody is having that much time first of all to format it, okay, and nobody is having that much time to actually see and read all the pages, right? Now what I'll be probably going to do, okay, over here, frequently I'm saying it, if you see this thing, This is one. The Gemini is being there, right? Google Docs AI assistant is also being there. There are the extensions, okay, which is being there. That is Magic Docs, okay, Google Docs AI assistants, okay, and all that stuff. Which auto generate a proposal or SOP inside the docs itself, right? But first of all, let's say if I wanted this, right? Monthly reports, okay, based on this, a structured business, something like that, okay, executive summaries, key development and the insights, okay, what exactly it's being the evolutions of the AI, current applications, machine learning and the deep learning trends, automations and the workforce impacts, every single thing it's being there, the recommendation, the future outlooks, one page business brief summaries, okay, and all. So this is basically, first of all, I've told my chat GPT, that's AI, okay, to get the raw data into the monthly report. The moment it happens, first of all, and then I am basically one page. I wanted to get the one page business brief summaries, okay, which is being there, which is being shaping the global industries originating from wherever it is being there. Now it is also possible to create a visual dashboards, turn into the PowerPoint. Let's say I wanted to go with somewhat like that, okay, creating into the visual dashboards, correct, okay, over here. The Google Docs obviously do so, the Magic Docs and everything. And if you see that, okay, where you have to install it, every single purpose of the thing is being already there, right? Okay, the Airtable is there, browsing AI, Birdine is there, the tools are being there, that's being there. Okay, now if you see this one, your visual dashboard is ready, right? Okay, you can download this. Let me just download this file, okay, the .png file. Okay, if I'll just download this .png file, open this, okay, somewhere. Now if you see the AI overview, current applications, machine learning types, risk and the future opportunity, every single thing has been given you where, every single thing, okay, it has been appeared on a single page, okay, detailed dashboards, color coded version, might not be like that, okay, but obviously it's in like this itself, okay, tableaus and all, so we can download it itself. So what we can do it is, let's say if I wanted to really help, okay, the AI business tool to help me out, it will just give me done. Now the same thing what I'll be doing it, okay, over here, the same thing what I'll be doing is over here, open the documents, okay, whatever the document you have, okay, let's say I'll open this document, browse, okay, whatever it is. Now if you see this, okay, the PDFs, obviously it's not a docs, right? It's totally not a docs and all, it's in PDF. I'm seeing any of that if possible. Okay, convert the PDF to the docs, right? This could be there, selecting the PDF, okay, and convert, right? This is the PDF and it is going to be getting over here as the convert, right? A point is not like that, okay, the point is not like that, it's obviously going to get it convert only, download, okay. uh, and it's not about only to get it download for the different logics, okay, not just to make it very sure about, okay, uh, what it relates about the best, okay, and it also gets on to the different way. But now if you see it is taking a lot of time actually to download it, a lot of time, but does not matter about why we are writing it, okay. Or simply if you wanted, like, you can download the docs also. I think I should download the docs. uh, What is an AI? Docs. Okay, simply like, okay, docs. If I'm simply writing it docs, so that means like, okay, I have something to write it. Okay, very actually, I have something like, okay, to get it done. Let it be, what is an AI? I wanted to download into the document formats. Okay, or simply open this and go back. Correct. On the very right side of the panel, there is over here. If you see calendar, keep task, and so on. Get on ads on also if you wanted help me write or similar prompt would be there. Okay, or Gemini or okay, or somewhat like that. Okay, let it just get it open. Is it my network issue or like what? Right. Okay, any of that you can pick. Either this one or either any of it. Help that you can pick. Either this one or either any of it. Help me write. Right. Not a problem. Now, if you see AI detectors, EndNote, ref and write, write in the honest, math type, mail merge, mailometer, okay, every single thing it's being there for the Google Workspace. But you don't need this, okay, or you don't need something like very oftenly. It's being there. GPT plus Google Talk if you see it, and install it. Quickly, just get it installed with it, and it will just get it done into where it will be just getting it over your this thing. I would say the file. I think I am getting an issue, so just a minute. Installed. Okay, cancel it. Over here, extensions, add-ons. If you wanted, get add-ons definitely. Okay. Help me write any of the okay documents. Okay, whichever you wanted to write it, you can just typically just go with it once again. So I wanted help, somewhat like that. Right. I guess this is the extension. Somewhat right is the extension of it. I just wanted to search. Sometimes the extension just changes the name also. Okay, AI detector. Okay, fine. A mail merger. Fine. Okay, GPT and all. Exactly fine. GPT for Google Docs. Okay, and all. It's being there. So right with the impact, I guess. Right. Okay. Obviously, I've told you like okay, the names get changed probably. Okay, so if you see, just continue. Okay, these are the things okay which is being required. Okay, just allow once again. Right, and it's done. Go back. Extensions. If you see this one, start working onto it. It will just tell you, like obviously it's there, right? Right. Just have a look. start the tour if you want it, but if you don't need, okay, do not. Don't write it so. Okay, so it's in a big process. So don't worry about it, like logins and the working with that, it's being there. So just make it continue with an access level. Okay, so yeah, I guess like you need to and continue this one. Okay, and that's good. Professional, college student, whatever you wanted to select, others and continue. Okay, you can close this window and move back. Okay, if you click over here, close, start writing. Now what is being there? Okay, outright, spellings, grammar, style and the structure, right? Sort by the positions if you want it, but if you don't want it, start writing. Okay, rewrite it. Let's say we couldn't find any valid sentence for the cursor, please onto the way. Okay, let it be this one. Okay, now I wanted this to get it rewrite. Okay, now it is saying like we couldn't find any valid sentence for the cursor. ठीक है, got it, not a problem. If it is not getting it, okay, the valid one, corrections if it should, devoid of, okay, and all. So all of them are being typically there, right? Okay, all of them are being the styling, devoid, the phrasings and all. If I'll go with the treasures, okay, select the word to list the synonyms of it or synonyms, okay. Let it be required. I'm just gonna write it required. I wanted to just go with this, okay. It will just give me a synonyms of it, okay. Now what is going to be the synonym of the required? Let the AI figure it out. Involve, okay, or demand or entail. Let's say demand, I'm writing it. Okay, it will just tell us like, okay, is it the right word, okay, or is it kind of like, okay, you're focusing onto it. And why we have this entire boot camp also, just to tell you guys, okay, that how important these tools are being there, what all the things, okay, you can do exactly with these tools, okay. What are the benefits, okay, you can get it with these kinds of tools, okay. And these productive kind of ways, if we go with like certain kind of jobs also which is being there associated with like AI tools, okay, and so things, you will definitely see that, okay, how important these kinds of tools are being there. Okay, what exactly the tools are being, how the people are being getting it respond. Now if you see that, okay, these are the things, okay, which is being there, entails, okay, involve, okay, and lot of things, right? Okay, and a lot of things are being there, right? So let it just get into this. Okay, got it. Now this is the statistics, how many characters are being there, okay. What all the things, the words you have used, the sentences, the syllables, the words, sentences, the readability of it, good grade level, reading speeds, again speaking speeds. So everything you got to know, right? Okay, now let's say if the same thing in the extensions, okay, I wanted to go with the GPT plus, okay, this one, help, okay, get started, okay, let's say getting started in a view in the shop, okay, let's say if I'm just going with a view in the shops and all, this is also required, okay. So why I'm saying that this is required and all, this is just to first of all get a judgment about what we are writing so far. At least this looks good, right? At least this good looks good. uh Ritika and Rameshwan Patel, Can you just listen me? Can you just check is my voice is audible? Can you please acknowledge that if my voice is audible? Or any one of you? Can you check it? I guess it is, right? Can you let me know please everyone? Any one of you? Okay, no problem. So this is being there, the GPT plus and all. Okay, this is the reviews of it. Okay, although if I'll cross this, I don't want any editing mode, okay, or anything like that. Extensions GPT. Okay, this is the third one. And if you see app script, okay, app script is among them. Correct. App script is one of them which is being very helpful for what you are writing into the different agendas, okay, into the different kind of way. Where? Okay, just a minute. Okay, it's getting a loading for me. Okay, not a problem. Okay. Now, what are exactly app script? Okay, which is being there. Now, if you see this app script, people are being getting it focused on to something which is not being into the functionality. But this is basically, let's say, if I wanted to make what is A plus B also, okay, I'll get the resultant of C. Okay, definitely I'll get the resultant of the C and all. Right, okay, and this is not just for one thing. Okay, this is basically for the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, whatever it be. Okay, but I wanted, okay, or like the values what I need to write it, okay, or the mint which we are being using it. It's coming from this, right? Okay, the reports which I'm just generating it. Now, how many more things, okay, you can do it? What exactly the things, okay, you can do it, okay, over here? If you probably just go to Notion, this is the Notion. Okay, if you just go with the Notion, Notion is also an AI powered one. Notion is also kind of what, like, okay, the AI powered. Continue with it, okay, and so things. Okay, okay. So one of the biggest advantage you can do, okay, over here is there is an AI, Notion AI. Click over there, prepare a report on what is AI. That's it. I wanted to write this. Okay, prepare a report on what is an AI. Okay, let it just get it, okay, done for me. I am just gonna sit, okay, and see and observe for it what exactly it's been getting it done. Now it will ask you few questions definitely. Okay, it will just get it. The few questions would be there on to what is this, what is that, what is like you're looking forward, okay, towards it, and what it relates the best outcome of it. Correct. Now, if you see this, this is what it has prepared. Now it is saying, I wanted, let it be, let's say, I wanted for office presentation. Okay, and provide me in a PDF style. Okay, let it be. So when I say the PDF way, okay, of it, benefit is of mine. Okay, whose benefit? benefit is of mine. Does not matter for what I am writing in. Now let it prepares. Let it just get it prepared for what I am looking forward. Okay, what exactly I needed also, and where exactly I need it. Okay, I need few things to do it. Now, if you see this thing, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, the title agenda. You can directly download a PDF file from me and you can copy paste this thing. Okay, here is a slides. Okay, let it me give me a PDF. Okay, I'm very sure you have. I don't know whether you have heard about that person or not. Okay, I am personally following that person. There is one person from Bihar. Okay, and actually studying from in basically your uh, I can say that that is Maharashtra, Mumbai. Okay, and he is selling makhanas. Okay, over here. Of everyone is being aware about what is makhanas, right? So he's selling okay the makhanas over there, and I'm very surprised actually, very surprised. He is in a college. Okay, he's definitely in a college, and I know it. Okay, because he really post about the things, and he's in college. Okay, and what he do so is he sell the makhana. Okay, and he built the website for the Cursor AI. He is doing everything with the Chat GPT. Okay, every single thing. Okay, he is doing it from there. Okay, and I am very sure about one thing, that he have used a massive amount of AI, massive amount of, right. The reason why I'm saying it is that I have observed this thing, um, or I have just went towards this thing, like okay, how he was that much confident when he has done so many things, right? Okay, and every single thing you may search about it. The founder of Surveya, okay, there is the Fox nuts. Okay, he is being selling and a lot of new things also, but it was there, right? Okay, it was a lot of things he is being doing it. Okay, but nothing he has used it manually. It is every single thing he used it from the Cursor AI, or like the mostly the use was of this, you can say, um, the AI itself, right? Okay, so I would definitely say that does not matter where you believe. Okay, but the things you matter is where you wanted to write it. Option 1, open the PowerPoint, create a presentation. So if you wanted to same create a presentation, so there is one more tool, that's in gamma.app. So you can open that. Okay, you can just definitely open this. Okay, and see like what I wanted to really mean about. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now if simply I'll just go with this generated from here. Okay, it's easiest for me, isn't it? Okay, isn't it? It's an easier. It's definitely an easier one only. Okay, I'll say that. Okay, this is somewhat like okay, which everyone needs it. Okay, no matter what. Now Gamma is going to prepare everything for me. Okay, right, starting from this particular tools. Okay, or the PPTs. Okay, whatsoever you required. Right. Okay, so it is not about how you are doing it. It is about what you wanted to start with, right? And what you actually have to begin with, right? So open this presentation I wanted to make, reports. Let's just copy paste from the Notion itself, right? Attendance right now or not, but I'll give you very shortly. Just copy everything, right? Starting from here. Okay, right, starting from here, copy it, go back, multiple of it, 20 cards. Okay, let's put it, whatever it's been getting, it's generated. Edit the prompt. Okay, it will ask you to edit the prompt, obviously. Okay, I need not in a free form, card form. It will automatically take that particular way. 16 slides. Okay, whether you wanted to go with an extensive, right? Okay, and all, and generate. Okay, right. Let it work about it. Let it work, and it will also give you uh this the cards into the theme you require it. Okay. Okay, just have a look. You need to hold on, right? Okay, because you can't do it everything on a very quickest way. Let it upload the photographs also and everything. Attendance at 9:55. Okay, I've told you like 9:05, 9:10, somewhat like that. But meanwhile, if you can let me know if any questions are being there, I'm most available to respond back. Any questions to anyone? Let's see like okay how formally it is going to get it done. How formally I'm saying. Now, if you see, till 13 it is being done, right? Okay, let's just go with the three more because I just wanted to tell you, like, okay, how the difference we generally used to make it, okay, whatever we have, and that difference is okay is going to the major role. Okay, that's gonna be the major role of it. Right? At the end, what I've told to go with a thank you note. Correct? Questions are the thoughts, discussion points. I have written it. Did I have written this like okay what I required it? No. Notion did. Right? Did I have written it like okay why I am just getting it done with a few things? No. Notion did it. Okay. Did I have given the agenda? Obviously not. Did I give like okay what is an AI? No. Did I have given like types of it? Obviously not. Right? But if you observe, okay, if you observe this entirely, you will see this. right? This is not done by me, right? This is all the AI, correct? All the AI is being there. So obviously you're preparing the reports, right? Okay, you're preparing the notes and all, uh, which is being possibly there, and the reports are all prepared by him or by the Notion AI. Similarly, you can just prepare your entire. Let me know if any questions are being there to anyone. Any single sort of questions to anyone till here. Any sort of questions to anyone, please let me know. Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay, let me know, please. Just a minute. I guess I've missed this live. Okay, if you see this, the attendance, you might have received it. If you are not gonna fill it, no certificates. Okay, you can just go with this also. If you see this Airtable AI, Browse AI, okay, Canva, Miro, every single thing it's been there. Okay, every single thing. So you should be very confident about the tools. Okay, what exactly you're using it and how exactly you are using it. The tools yet has to be confirmed. The tools yet has to be like, okay, required for wherever you wanted to write it. Okay, let it be. If you are thinking about the new tools also, fine. Now the new tools, okay, you can it's not there like, okay, into your AI bootcamp right now, but I'll see. My domain is data science. Is it worth for the future? Obviously, why not? Even though my domain is a data science and AI and DSE. Okay. Copilot. Okay, then we have is the Canva Docs plus AI, right? A lot of them, it's being the Miro, it's there. Bino is there. Okay, a lot of them. Airtable, Bardeen. Okay. So obviously, yeah, you can do it. Let me know if any questions are being there. One thing I'll tell you is data science. If you're following it up, do not leave. Okay, make my point. Do not leave it. Today it is 100% of the future we have of the AI, and the next coming 2-3 years, it's gonna reach to 500%. I'm saying it. Okay, so do not leave. If you're gonna leave this, uh, let me tell you, it's your loss, and you will remember my words. Might be we are not gonna meet in the coming future. Okay, might be we are gonna meet. Okay, but I'm gonna just tell you one thing: do not leave the AI. Okay, and the DSE. If it is just in DSE only, make sure you go with an AI also. Okay, a bit of the AI. Okay, make it a strong point of this as an of this particular way, but make the strongest point, if I'll say, uh strongest point of it is the AI and ML. Okay, I would say this particular way. Okay, mark my point about it. Correct? Any questions? Any questions, please? Please fill the form. Okay, let me just give you one thing. Okay, a tool of yours that's gonna be there. A tool for that which you definitely wants to write it or take it, right? Okay, let me just give you that what I was just talking about. Or might be, I'm not sure. Arey baba, my na actually system is getting at hang about. Okay, if you open this website now, let's code and solve. There is around 300 plus of the PDF, the documents, the docs would be there. Okay, comprising of everything: JavaScript, Python, AI, ML, DSC, web development. Even though if you see this nine, na, the Python cheat sheets, becoming Java exports, the DSC cheat sheets, okay, trees and the graphs, okay, 20 must you wanted to go with, sorting the algorithms, and all of the new things, the oops concept and everything is being getting it working also. Okay, if you see and open it, every single thing is being into the working format. Okay, there is nothing as an of like now. If I wanted to write it, okay, now it's not like that. Okay, which you typically needs to write it, but it is somewhat which you have into the viewing parts. Okay, if it is an object oriented JavaScript, so every single thing it's being there. Okay, right, starting from here, but I will get on to you as an of the AR. Okay, let's say AIML notes or the DS also data science. Yuvraj is from the data science, right? If you see this data cleaning, complete data science cheat sheets and everything, why you wanted to, or like okay, why exactly uh, you wanted to go with certainly like okay in a very detailed way. If you open this, see like how good it is. It is being there, right? Okay, how good it is, right? Shall I give you this link? Do you want this link? Shall I give you this link? Come on, come on. Okay, I'll drop a link to you guys. Just a minute now. It's a very it has more than 300 plus resources, more than 300 plus. Might be I'm wrong, like it could be 400 also. Every single AI, ML, DS, even though career resources are being there. If you wanted to appear for the Intuit company, Walmart company, okay, Goldman Sachs, uh, Adobe, okay, or anything like that, okay, cold emails, referral templates, okay. If you open Adobe also, na, if you just go with an Adobe, what you will be observing it, each of them has a questions. Okay, each of them has a question. Okay, so it's working that good. Got it? Did you got that? Did you got that, guys? Did you got that? Please let me know. No problem. No problem. Okay, so here is like, okay, you have the attendance sheets. Okay, I'll probably request you guys, okay, to go with an all filling the this particular file. Okay, I will definitely say, because if you did not, then certificates are pretty often tough for you, right? Got it, got it. Okay, so I can see the chats also. Yeah, yeah, obviously that's being there. This PDF is very much required, very, very much required. Okay, so if you wanted to really help you, okay, or like, okay, go with certainly with the best outcomes, okay, you should have that. Got it? Did you got it, guys? Can you let me know, please? Can you let me know, please? Okay, that's good. No, no problem. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thanks a lot, please. Thanks a lot.